Welcome to Stockholm, the vibrant capital of Sweden, where history, culture, and modernity intertwine seamlessly. Stockholm Walk. Whether you're a history buff, a food enthusiast, an art lover, or a nature seeker, this city offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you with lasting memories. Join us as we delve into the must-do activities that make Stockholm an enchanting destination. Gamla Stan, a timeless voyage. Begin your journey in Gamla Stan, the charming old town that takes you back in time. Stroll through narrow, winding streets adorned with medieval architecture, vibrant facades, and hidden squares. Explore the royal palace and immerse yourself in the palpable sense of history that envelopes this atmospheric neighborhood. Unearth the intriguing story of the Vasa warship at the Vasa Museum. Witness the majestic vessel that sank on its maiden voyage in 1628, only to be resurrected centuries later. The museum not only showcases the ship's astonishing restoration but also offers insights into life during the 17th century. Relax in lush parks. Visit the enchanting Skansen Open-Air Museum, and embrace your inner child at Gröna Lund Amusement Park. Whether you seek tranquility or excitement, Djurgården has something for everyone. Östermalmssaluhall, a culinary odyssey. Indulge your taste buds at Östermalmssaluhall, a food market brimming with tantalizing flavors. From gourmet cheeses to Swedish delicacies, this culinary haven invites you to embark on a gastronomic journey that reflects the heart of Swedish cuisine. Stockholm Archipelago, a natural oasis. Venture beyond the city limits to the Stockholm Archipelago, a breathtaking tapestry of over 30,000 islands. Embark on a boat tour, kayak along tranquil waters, or simply bask in the serene beauty of this natural wonderland. Find serenity in Royal Djurgården Park, where expansive greenery meets stunning water views. Marvel at the architectural masterpiece that is Stockholm City Hall. Take a guided tour to explore the intricacies of this iconic building and ascend the tower for panoramic views that stretch over the city's skyline and waterways. Delve into the bohemian ambiance of Södermalm, a district brimming with creativity and charm. Explore vintage shops, eclectic boutiques, and local cafes that embody the district's artistic spirit. In conclusion, Stockholm is a city that resonates with every traveler's desires. From historic wonders to cultural gems, natural beauty to culinary delights, the Swedish capital beckons with a rich tapestry of experiences waiting to be uncovered. Embrace the diverse tapestry of Stockholm, and let each adventure weave a unique story of your journey through this captivating city.